guys, we're here at the Choi Hung estate today. Getting here is a bit of a challenge. We didn't actually realize it on the way here, but the estate is actually a massive complex with multiple buildings, and it's got approximately 18,000 people actually living here. So we were a little bit surprised, but once we got our bearings, we eventually found the estate and the infamous area to get your photos for your Instagram. As you can see, it's quite amazing. However, the colors are a little bit faded from what we can see, you know, in photos. However, I know Photoshop can help a lot with photo editing, so maybe that's why we thought it was so bright, but it's still an awesome experience to come and get some snaps for your holiday. We've gone on a Thursday, and we've probably gone around the midday mark, and it's quite busy. Exactly isn't the sunniest day, but it is still quite a lot of people. But we've heard the weekend most definitely can be the busiest part of this area. So if you're going to come, try to go on a weekday just to avoid lining up for, you know, a photo here or there. It's probably my best advice for you.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. We do apologize for the lack of content over the last few weeks, but we do promise some more content is coming out. Be sure to hit that like button and also that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.